All right, August 3rd, 1943, Vero Beach Airport, Florida. Let's see what the world looked like back then. Here goes nothing. Looks like it worked. Sun's warm, engine's humming.
Yeah, this is 1943, all right.
That's her, shining in the sun. Eastern's flight down to Miami. Time to board. Warm breeze out here. Smells like salt and oil.
Good morning, sir. Welcome aboard.
Morning, thanks. Seat 4A, right?
Yes, just along the right side.
Plenty of room. Nice work on the upholstery. That wing's polished like a mirror. Prop spinning. Here we go.
President.
Welcome to Miami, sir.
Watch your step.
Thank you. I made it.